Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss the answer key of class 10 science paper, that is the set 3 here. Select the following decomposition reaction in which source of energy is decomposition is light. So it is one of the NCERT example, AgBr2 Ag plus Br2, it required light, so C is the correct answer. 2 ml of NaOH added few pieces of zinc, so NaOH plus zinc forming Na2ZnO2 plus hydrogen gas. So B here is the correct answer. Next, again directly from the NCERT, equation is given and you have to identify which one is oxidized and reduced. So MnO2 to MnCl2, loss of oxygen is reduction is reduced, and HCl is oxidized to Cl2. Here loss of hydrogen is there. Considered a following compound, which one has maximum number of water crystallization? Na2CO3, which contain 10 water molecule. FeSO4 contains 7, CuSO4 contain 5, calcium contain half, so answer is Na2CO3. In a nerve cell, the site where the electrical impulse is converted into chemical signal known as neuromuscular junction. Option C is the correct. A metal and a non-metal which exists liquid at a room temperature. So bromine is a non-metal which exists liquid at room temperature, and the mercury here. Now next, at what distance from a convex lens of an object placed to get an image of same size? So same size, which means it is at center of curvature, that is at twice of focal length. So at 2f to twice. So at twice of focal length is the answer C here. Carbon is a good conductor, wrong statement. Bad conductor, yes. Have a strong force of attraction, no. Have a weak force of attraction, yes. So second and fourth is the correct answer. Oxides of aluminium and zinc are amphoteric, C option. Now chromosomes carry hereditary information from parents to next, yes. Are thread-like structure, yes. Always exist in pairs in human reproductive cell. It can also present in, we can say, in animals also or plants also. Are involved in process of cell division, yes. So option first, second and fourth is the correct answer. अब वन मोर पॉइंट, इस क्वेश्चन में थोड़ी कंफ्यूजन कैसे हो सकती है? वैसे तो चारों स्टेटमेंट करेक्ट हैं, ये दोनों एनिमल सेल से रिलेटेड करेक्ट हैं, बट फर्स्ट और फोर्थ एक जर्नल स्टेटमेंट है, तो इट मे पॉसिबल ऑप्शन डी विल बी द करेक्ट आंसर, बिकॉज यहाँ प्लांट या एनिमल कुछ नहीं बोला है, बट सेकेंड और थर्ड में दे आर स्पेसिफिक दैट दे आर जस्ट डिस्कसिंग द एनिमल पार्ट है, बट ऐसा कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है कि चारों करेक्ट हैं, तो इस क्वेश्चन में कहीं ना कहीं आंसर की में कोई करेक्शन ज़रूर होगी. Next, consider the following statement. The sex of a child determined by what is inherited from mother? No. The sex of child determined what is inherited from father? Yes. The probability of having male child is more than that of female? No, there is an equal probability. The sex of child is determined at the time of fertilization? Correct. So here second and fourth option are correct, which means B here is the correct answer. Which of the following organ is not a part of human reproductive system? That is the vas deferens, C here. Next, in which of the following organism multiple fission is a means of asexual reproduction? That is the plasmodium. Next, in bifocal lenses used for the correction of presbyopia, where the upper portion is a concave lens for the near vision and lower part is of convex for a distant vision. Now next part here, question 15. The pattern of the magnetic field produced inside the solenoid, it is always a uniform magnetic field. So A here is the correct answer. Identify the food chain in which organism of second trophic level are missing. Grass, goat, lion, all three are present. Zooplankton, phyto, small fish, large fish. Now in this case, there are tiger, grass, snake, frog. Grass eaten by grasshopper, then frog, then snake. So here it is, something is missing. So C here is the correct answer. Next, reasoning and assertion part. The rainbow is a natural spectrum of sunlight. Yes, rainbow is formed in the sky when the sun is overhead and the water droplets are also present in the air. So option A is the correct, both are the correct and the correct answer of it. Hydrogen gas is not evolved when zinc reacts with nitric acid. Yes, only in case of magnesium and manganese it reacts. So what is the reason? Nitric oxides the hydrogen gas produced, nitric acid oxidize the hydrogen gas produced to water and itself get reduced. Yes, correct. So A is the correct answer. Accumulation of harmful chemical is maximum in the organism at the highest trophic level of the food chain. Yes, it is correct. Harmful chemicals are sprayed on the crops to protect it from the disease and pest. Yes, pesticides or we can say insecticides. So both are the correct but not the correct answer of this one. So here it is B1. Next is the rate of breathing in aquatic organism is much faster than the terrestrial. Yes, statement is correct. The amount of oxygen dissolved in water is very high. No, it is low. So reason is wrong. So option C is the correct answer.